Hello, today we will guide you through how to change IP in Cloudflare. To begin, open Cloudflare and sign into your dashboard. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the website or domain you want to update. In this example, we'll refer to it as your sample domain. Click on that domain to open its management area. After the domain dashboard loads, move to the left-hand navigation panel and select DNS. This is where Cloudflare stores and manages the DNS settings for your domain, including the records that point traffic to your server. If you're changing an IP address, this is the section you'll need to work in. Inside the DNS area, click on Records. This will open the full list of as entries connected to your domain. Here you may see several different records depending on how your site is set up. Take a moment to locate the specific DNS record you want to update. This is usually the record currently pointing to the old server IP. Once you find the correct DNS entry, click Edit on the sample DNS record. This opens the record settings so you can make changes. Be careful at this stage to edit the correct record, especially if your domain has multiple entries for subdomains, mail services, or other configurations. Updating the wrong record can send traffic to the wrong destination. In the IP address field, enter the new IP address you want this DNS record to use. Make sure the address is entered carefully and without mistakes, since even a small typo can prevent your site from resolving properly. If you're copying the IP from another source, it's a good idea to double-check it before saving. After you've entered the updated IP address, click Save to apply the change. Cloudflare will then update the DNS record with the new value. Keep in mind that while Cloudflare often updates changes quickly, DNS changes can still take some time to fully propagate depending on your settings and how DNS is cached in different locations. If the website does not appear to update immediately, give it a little time and then check again. And that's it. You've successfully changed the IP address for a DNS record in Cloudflare. Following these steps carefully helps ensure your domain continues pointing to the correct server with minimal disruption.